Model, 1993 Talbot Express Avalon 2.0 Petrol LPG Camper Long MOT starts drives. Body, white, motorhome. Mileage, 122,416. MOT, the 15th of April 2025. Engine, 1971 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Unload the clutch will start to slip if you drive gently it won't, but either way the clutch will need replacing. The engine and gearbox are fantastic and the LPG system works perfectly. Condition summary, bodywork is great condition for its age and mileage. This is possibly one of the nicest Talbots we have seen in recent years. On the inside of this van we have a full camper conversion with everything from a bed to the kitchen sink. Truthfully, with only a little bit of work this camper would be ready for you and the family to go on holiday to anywhere your heart desires. Great project, features, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.